This is my Dyson V6 Slim. I don't know what's going on with it. I've literally just taken it off charge and now it flashes red. That's when you press the handle. Cleaned it out, cleaned the filter out, taken it all apart as far as I can, making sure that it's all clean. And it still flashes red. So I've read that I need to contact Dyson and that it's possibly buggered, which is a shame because I was literally only using it the other day. Fine, only used it for a couple of minutes as normal, went around the house what I needed to do, and now it's doing this. So yeah, not real happy. It's been faultless since then, and all of a sudden it's just had this problem now. So any ideas on any potential workaround? Has someone actually taken this apart and figured out what's wrong with it? Or have they just gone to Dyson and given up? And now I just put it back on charge and it's got a blue light. So I wonder what that means. Yes, I haven't mounted this. We've just moved into this house. No, still red. Okay. Help, please.